young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure when I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig. This is Asteria hair. This is their 6x6 closure. I think it's the 6x6. All the information will be in my description box. This wig is a pre-made wig, so I'm just going to show you guys how I install it glueless and pop in. All I'm doing right here is using my touchdown to edge control just to slick my hair back. You can use any edge control that you like. I'm just using this one to make sure that my hair is slicked back, and I'm not using got to be gel because that's just a hassle and this is easy. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just going to show you guys the simplest, most quickest way to install your wigs and it to be popping. So you're just going to brush that out. Yeah. Tell me if you guys are excited about these videos. I'm going to be coming out with more closure videos for the summertime, glueless, because yeah. So normally now I don't really do the ball cap method too much anymore. So I'm just going to put on 2 caps. And the purpose of these 2 caps are to keep my hair as flat as possible. So what I do is I use a lighter cap and then I use a darker cap. You want to do this because if you use a lighter cap for both of them, you're going to see the cap through your wig. Even if you put the thing on the wig, you're going to see it. So right here I'm just showing you the inside construction. You can see the closure. This is already pre-made. The lace is really thin. The hair it doesn't shed too much. And this wig is really bomb, especially for beginners. I do recommend this wig for beginners. So right here you can see it. I think it's a 6x6. It's like covering the whole front area, but it's still not a frontal. This is going to give you the illusion of a frontal. Also, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to do the method, I will link a video down below. So right here, I'm just showing you how dense the hairline is. So we already know we're going to have to pluck this a lot. So right here, I'm just showing you the 2 combs. When you put it in your hair, you can use these 2 combs to secure it, or you can use a wig grip. So here, I'm just going in and I'm plucking it. And what you want to do is make sure you're going into the root and plucking back. Try not to be in one area too long because you're going to start getting bald spots. What you do is you go down into the root and you pluck back and you keep going back. You do not stay in that same area. So you go in side to side and back. I hope that's making sense. I was doing it on my head to demonstrate, but I noticed that it's really hard doing it on my head. So for you guys, since this is a beginner friendly type of video, I am wetting it, but I'm going to go in and transfer the wig onto my mannequin head. You guys want to get a mannequin head, I will have mine linked down below. My mannequin stand is trash, but I'm going to have my mannequin head and stuff linked down below. I'm just showing you the parting area. It's a lot of parting.
Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good. Today, or tonight, or tomorrow, I love you. Calling on my name.
Alright, you guys, and we're back. So right here, I transferred the wig onto my mannequin head, and this will make your life so much easier. So you want to wet it and then just brush it out to make sure that you have a nice smooth canvas. And you could already see how I started plucking it, and I was being a little lazy, so I was plucking too much. So all you want to do is take out that front area that you already plucked. Even if you haven't plucked it, you're going to just remove the front area so we're not messing with that, because that's the most basically important part of the wig. So we're just going to remove that. And yeah, just make sure you're parting out that area, making sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and start plucking. Just how I told you, we're going to be plucking back and side to side, back, side to side. Do not stay on one spot too long. You do not want to get no bald spots. So yeah, that's all we're doing right here is plucking, and it's really self-explanatory. I have a bunch of plucking videos on my channel. When your wig starts looking like this, you know that you're doing a good job. Also, you can part out the front area, the middle part, to make sure that you're not over plucking the middle part. Right here, I'm going in and plucking out some of the baby hairs so it's not dense. When you're plucking the baby hairs, make sure that you're plucking one hair at a time and not a whole bunch, because you are going to get bald spots. I keep saying bald spots. You need to make sure that you're not doing the most because you don't want to get bald spots. So when you brush it out, you're going to see this, and it's looking really nice and wispy and natural. That's what you want. When your front of your wig starts looking like this, you want that. You do not want it to be just 1-2 strands, but you don't want it to be thick either. Then I'm just going to hold my hair like I'm doing it in a ponytail and make sure it's looking gradient like this, and you know you're right on track. So when it's looking gradient, you know that you're plucking really nicely. You do not want it to look all patchy and crazy. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my razor comb just to cut the baby hairs, and I'm gonna go back in with my water just to make sure that the hair is nice and detangled and looking natural. When you do this, you're gonna see how the wig is gonna look on your head, and I feel like this is a good part to do. And we're basically done. You do not want, when your wig look like this, you do not want to go plucking more because it's gonna start looking crazy. I did that before, and I should have always stick to my wig being a natural look. Right here, I'm going into my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation. This is in the color 14. Sometimes I just mix both colors together. Most times I'm going to use the lightest side or the darkest side. In the summertime, I use the darkest side because it's just melting. Look how it's melting already. I do recommend doing this step when you don't have any makeup on, because you're going to see what I mean when the freaking thing starts falling on my face. But look how beautiful these curls are. This is a really good wig for the summertime, and it's not shedding. So far it's not shedding, so I really like that. So right here, I'm going into it with my razor comb like regular. You guys know the drill. If you watch my channel, you know the drill on what I do to my wigs. I just wanted to show you guys the 6x6 closure because most of my subscribers were asking me if I could do some more closure videos. I'm so mad. I was using this mousse and my lazy cheap ass put water in the mousse. So it literally started melting, and it was melting onto my makeup. That's why I'm telling y'all to do this with no makeup on, because this would not be a problem if I didn't have no makeup on. But yeah, so I have to go get new mousse. And right here, I went and I got my mousse, and this is how your mousse is supposed to look, not all watery and stuff. And I'm just going to style my hair, style the baby hairs. If you don't want baby hairs, you could just slick it back and tie it down, and you're good to go. The mousse is going to mold the hair onto your head, so this is a good thing for glueless wigs. If you're going to the beach, just know your wig is going to, the baby hairs are going to disappear because of the water. But if you're just doing it like regular, you're going to be perfectly fine. I'm blowing my hair on medium high heat, medium high speed, and that's basically it. This is how the wig is looking. It's looking nice and melted with no glue. And yeah, I hope this video was very helpful. This was a quick one. I just wanted to bring you guys this closure wig. And if you do need to go back in and pluck it a little bit more, do it to match your face.
My shoulder,
So you just want to go in and perfect the baby hairs, everything. You're going to tie it down again. And with those baby hairs, I did use some of my got to be glue gel just to make sure it's molded down and staying in place. So basically, this is the end of the video. Tell me if you guys are excited for my summer videos that are coming. It's more like curly hair and styling curly hair and stuff like that, and vlogs. I'm really excited for vlogs. Yeah. Also, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm really excited for the new things that's coming. I'm going to be bringing lashes and all kind of extra stuff to the website. So tell me if you guys are excited about that, to see what I'm bringing for summer for y'all. And do you feel like I should do merch? I think I'm going to do merch really soon. Tell me if you guys would purchase if I did merch. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!
Let me hold you. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. Let me hold you. Know the night.